Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Time to Teach. I hope you all will be good. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips on how to improve English communication. This is a problem faced by a majority of people, but don't worry, I have come with a solution which is pretty easy for all of you. Let's have a look on the tips that will definitely help you to improve your English communication. So, on the top we have speak, speak and speak. Yes, let's start right off by saying that there is not a magic pill for speaking better. That would be too easy, right? Basically, the best way to speak better is to well speak. Commit to practicing often and with as many different people as possible. Do you already live or study overseas? Take advantage of the thousands of native speakers in your immediate community, such as your friends, their families, your co-workers, classmates, employees at the coffee shops, supermarket, post offices, and other places you visit. If you are learning in your own country, increase your practice time by meeting your classmates after a class, finding a language exchange partner, or joining an online community of learners. And friends, moving towards second tip, it is reflect on your conversations. After your conversation is over, take a moment to reflect. How did it go? How much do you think you understood? How comfortable did you feel with that subject matter? Did you encounter any unknown words? The only act of thinking about it in this way will increase your confidence for the next time you speak and give your targeted things to work on. For example, vocabulary you didn't understand. Now the time for third tip, which is listen and read. Yes friends, listening and reading do wonders more than we think. You need words in order to talk, right? Class time is great for learning vocabulary, but there are other ways you can increase yours. Watch movies, listen to music, the radio, and to postcards. Read books, magazines, and blogs. When listening and reading, find new and interesting expressions, slang terms, and synonyms. Write down this new material and look up anything you are not familiar with. All this will provide more meat for you to use next time you practice. Okay, friends, it's time for the fourth tip, which is prepare cheat sheets. Part of nervousness around speaking is the feeling of not knowing what to say. To tackle this, prepare a cheat sheet. Are you going to the doctor's? Before your appointment, research vocabulary relating to your condition and some common phrases you will probably need. You can also use this technique before going to pay a bill, eating at a restaurant, job interviews, making a complaint, or for any other situation that might make you anxious. Now the final tip, which is pick up the phone. So friends, how does it sound? But yes, it will be very helpful. Most people find phone conversations particularly challenging. Why? Because on the phone we can't see the other person's body language or watch their mouth move, both of which are tools that really help communication. So, to feel more confident on the phone, start small with phone conversations with friends, then making appointments or inquiries, thus making it more challenging. This is also a great time to use tip number 4 and prepare a list of questions and useful vocabulary to help you during your call. So friends, these were the 5 essential tips. I really hope you all will find these tips helpful and applicable in your daily lives. So friends, thanks for watching this video. At the end, I would like to request you all to please subscribe to my channel Time to Teach, like this video and share with your friends. For now, take care. Allah Hafiz.